Hey everybody, it's Craig. Thanks for checking out this video. Sorry for the background noise. I've got the 70,000 BTU heater, kerosene heater going. It's a radiant heater too, it's kind of nice. So it's a little cold, so sorry for the background noise. So what I'm doing is I'm working on the ATV again, and this is going to be really a short video, but just to let you know what happened. I had everything all buttoned up, everything was running great, and I decided to take it down the street, and when I did, I was totally engulfed in steam, and I realized that I must have split a hose or something. No, what happened is I had loosened that clamp on that hose, so I lost all the coolant. And luckily this happened here at home and not out on the trail somewhere, because I probably would have been stuck. And then we're going to see what other kinds of work we can get involved in this weekend. So let's see what else we can do once we get this buttoned up. Sorry for the background noise again, my wife is vacuuming. So we're going to throw on this seasoned salt that the boss buys at Aldi's. Really, really good stuff. So we're going to sprinkle that on there. Some cheese on here. Something about sauteed onions that are just so yummy. Slide that over a little bit. There we go. 2 for lunch during the week at work, and these 2 for lunch today. Oh, they got a little bit of brown gravy there. Okay, we're gonna give this a try. That's good cube steak. Very good. Very good. Someone else thinks it's good too. Don't be afraid to prepare cube steak. It's really, really good. Very lean. Can be a little bit tough. Just pound it real good. That's excellent. Excellent. It's going to make for a really good meal this week at work. All right, let's see what else we can get into. You can stop now. Okay, here we go. This is already pre-mixed. Gonna let this heat up and then let the bubbles purge. And once that thermostat opens up, I can add a little more if I need to. Let's see, there was a couple bubbles coming up. Alright, so I needed my other hand. I wasn't able to do it. So what I did is I gave it a little throttle and let that start bubbling. Now I'm just waiting for the fan to kick on. That's it, we're just gonna let that antifreeze burn off and steam off there. 50-degree day out today. It's absolutely beautiful. Beautiful Sunday. It's gonna change. Actually, it's warmer than that. I wanna say it's probably close to 60. It's beautiful because I'm out here in a t-shirt. All right, we've got the skins off. We're gonna be putting all those back on. And I'm not gonna video that, but not for today. That's another project for another day. I want to thank everybody for watching. If you like these kinds of videos, and this video really is just a video about nothing. If you like these kinds of videos and you know, videos of substance, please make sure that you click that like button and also hit the subscribe button. As we find more projects, we will certainly get into them. One of them that we're going to be doing is this old Ariens, not Ariens, well it's from an Ariens, it's an old Techumseh 8-horse, the rotted muffler. We're going to be taking this whole thing apart. We're going to be fixing this. Yeah, it's got a spring in there that needs to be fixed. We'll fix that recoil, get it running. It may have a knock, I don't know. We'll find out together though. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody, and we'll see everyone in the next video.